Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Henry. In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Crystal Restore before you decide to buy it. I also have some important warnings for you, so make sure you watch this video until the end to avoid wasting your money. First, be careful with the website where you purchase the product. Crystal Restore is only sold on the official website. To help you out, I've left the official website link in the video description in the first comment. I'm here on the screen to share my experience and help you determine if Crystal Restore really works. What is Crystal Restore? Crystal Restore isn't just another supplement. It's a revolutionary formula designed to enhance your manifestation abilities. By taking this daily tablet, you can open your third eye, uncover hidden truths, and create a new reality. How does Crystal Restore work? The magic of Crystal Restore lies in its powerful blend of ingredients that work together to support manifestation. Say goodbye to financial struggles, attract your ideal life partner, and find work that aligns with your passions. With Crystal Restore, you'll experience radiant health, endless vitality, and a life free from suffering, without the need for expensive gurus or complex rituals. By taking one dropper of Crystal Restore daily, you'll reactivate the crystals in your pineal gland, clearing out disruptive fluoride buildup and reopening spiritual channels. This will enable you to receive clear intuitions, creative sparks, and divine inspiration, turning your wildest dreams into reality. Powerful ingredients for maximum benefits. Crystal Restore is formulated with a blend of powerful ingredients known for enhancing spiritual and physical well-being. Chlorella, known for its detoxifying properties, it helps remove heavy metals and fluoride from the body, supporting a healthy pineal gland. Iodine, essential for thyroid function and maintaining the health of the pineal gland. Shilajit, a potent source of fulvic acid, enhancing nutrient absorption and boosting energy levels. Turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, supporting overall brain health and spiritual clarity. Ginkgo biloba, improves blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive function and supporting meditation practices. Pine extract, contains pycnogenol, a powerful antioxidant that protects the pineal gland from toxins like fluoride and reduces inflammation. For more details on all the ingredients and their specific benefits, I recommend checking the product's official website. How to use Crystal Restore. Crystal Restore comes in an easy-to-use dropper bottle. Simply take one dropper full of the liquid formula each day. Notice the rapid transformation in your life as you continue using it for at least 90 days for the best results. How safe is Crystal Restore? Crystal Restore is crafted to ensure safety and contains only natural ingredients. The supplement does not include anything harmful to the body. Additionally, the manufacturer has carefully added the ingredients in the right proportions without any preservatives or allergens. Where to buy Crystal Restore? You can only find Crystal Restore on the official website. So take advantage of this offer today by clicking the link below to secure your discount.